What's up guys, time for an update. It's been a while since the last time I posted a video, so I figured I should make a video to tell you what I've been and what I've been doing. Apart from that, there's a special announcement I'm going to make later in this video. I posted like a teaser sort of post on my Facebook page a few weeks ago, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Although I haven't done much in terms of actual modeling, a few things related to the hobby happened during my break. Alright, let's start with Gunpla. As you may have seen on my Facebook page, I was working on a Vignagina and making a diorama base for it. It was meant to be my entry for a contest on a Discord server. As I was running out of time, I realized there was no way I could finish it before the deadline, so I decided to go for a plan B, and that was a diorama I had been planning for a couple of months. I had 10 days to finish it, and even though I technically did it, it was far from the idea I had in my head for so long. I just didn't have time to do the little things that bring a diorama to life. I scratch built a lot of small stuff for it, like pallets, a barrel, and even tiny 1:144 scale cardboard boxes made out of plat-plate. I also modified spare parts, made a plat-plate warehouse, but it wasn't enough. It's like writing a story, coming up with a nice plot, setting, characters, and then realizing you don't have enough time to write everything you had planned, so you technically finish it, but in the end product it becomes clear that it lacked polishing and life. It was just rushed. That's precisely what happened with my diorama. It was complete, but it lacked that X factor. During my time away from social media, I worked on it on and off, and as of April 12th, I can say it's 95% done. The showcase video should be out next week. The Vignagina, which as I said earlier was my original entry for the contest, is waiting to be primed, and the diorama base is 90% complete construction wise. During my time working on it, I documented the process of building and modifying it, and will continue to do so once I go back to it. My next personal project is to finish that. And I say personal project because, well, I guess it's time for the big announcement. I am going to be writing articles for Hobbylink Japan's blog, Hobbylink TV. They sent me some awesome goodies, including model kits of course, and I will be writing tutorials and work in progress series on those builds for their blog. Needless to say, I'm really excited about this partnership, and I hope to see you guys there, interacting in the comments, sharing your opinions, and that fun stuff. If you haven't already, go to hobbylink.tv and create an account. There's some nice groups, giveaways in their shows like Gunpla TV and Toy Tengoku, and the content in general is pretty nice. Now, as I said, HLJ sent me a box with stuff, so why don't we open it right now? Alright, so let's open this box. Got my hobby knife here, a new blade, very sharp blade. So then here, cutting the tape, and let's go. Well, where to start? So, this an action base 2, some evergreen, what are these called? Angles, just plastic 90-degree angles for corners, and some sanding sticks, 400 grit hard sanding sticks. So these are like files, not those like that bend. Some nice stuff here. Let's open it. BMC chisel holder or handle, a nice file, a flat file, rounded file, yep. Some LEDs, white, green, red, and blue. Masking tape, 10 millimeters. BMC chisel, 0.7 millimeters. Tamiya weathering master, set A. And a nice fine brush, very nice brush. So, model kits. Harrow, orange harrow, shooting orange. Here, high grade Gyan, revive version, recent kit. High grade O Gundam from down below. There's this Mr. Diorama clay, very nice clay. Garibaldi Beta, high grade, recent kit. High New Gundam heavy weapon system, pretty nice, kind of big kit. And some clear flat plate, 2 sheets of 1.7mm clear flat plate. So that's it. That's all the stuff I got.